Ever wished you could just ditch your phone and browse the web directly on your Apple TV? Let's get straight to it. Apple TV doesn't actually come with a pre-installed web browser, like Safari or Chrome. Bummer, I know. But don't lose all hope just yet. The easiest workaround is screen mirroring. If you have an iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac, you can project your device's screen browser included onto your Apple TV to do this. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone or iPad to access the control center. Then, tap on screen mirroring. You will see a list of available devices. Select your Apple TV. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code displayed on your TV screen now. Whatever you see on your phone or tablet will be mirrored on your Apple TV, letting you browse the web. Another option is to search the App Store for third-party apps that offer limited web browsing capabilities. Some, like Air Browser, may offer basic web browsing functionality, but keep in mind these apps are not official browsers and might have limitations. To search the App Store, navigate to the App Store app on your Apple TV and use the search bar to find browser alternatives. Read the reviews and descriptions carefully to see if they meet your needs. So, while you can't get a full-fledged browser experience directly on your Apple TV, screen mirroring or exploring those third-party apps might just do the trick. Happy browsing, or at least happy exploring your options.